Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Got something special for you guys today, so keep watching. Morning, top of the morning. As you can see, it's that time. Sorry for the shaky camera angles, but yeah, I got it all jack stands all the way around. About to get me some new shoes, wear tires, and clean these wheels up, get a good idea of what all these wheels look like. But it's time to get some new tires, man. These are old and dry rotted. As you can see, no white walls, rust everywhere. I'm gonna see what we can do. I did a little test patch on this wheel. I might upload that video or that clip. This is the best I can get. It still got some bad spots, but this was the worst of it. But we're gonna see. That just was a little test wheel. And this one right here, I think that wheel that I played with probably was the worst of it. Maybe this one is, I don't know. But those are the wheels, those are the tires. So, trying to get this thing ready. There we go. There we go. Another look at the wheels before and after. Got to get me some new center caps. Clean up that rust. But they'll do for now. They'll do for now. It look like they all have the same offset. I measure this front lip. This front lip is 4 inches, and the back lip is 4 3/4 inches. So the back spacing is 4 3/4 inches, and that's for every wheel. All the wheels are, I think, like 9 1/4 inches total width. Yeah, if you do 4 and 4, that's 8 plus, yeah, a half for that centerpiece, and then the back spacing. Yeah, that's about right. But yep, I'm probably getting some more of these on it all the way around. These are Mastercrafts already on there. Mastercrafts that just had the white letter on the inside. But yeah, you'll see. There you go. If you can see that, that's a size difference. It's a hair bigger. Probably can't even tell, but a little bit wider. That tire not straight, but a hair wider. Probably can't even make it out. Let's see. That's the front, and that's the rear. I already showed you, once you clean this off with the wire brush, then I'm back this camera out. Then you wipe everything down, get all that rusty dust off, and then this is what I'm doing. I use WD-40, spray the whole thing down, This is the second coat, second thing I do, and I just steel wool and you go over the whole wheel. This is just a quick little thing. I need some more tools to get all in here. Let me get that clean later. I need another type of brush to attach to my drill, and then I'll show you what's next. Getting it done, baby, getting it done. Rub as hard as you can. Get all them little cracks and crevices. I think this is the third wheel. I done did the test wheel, and then that's the second wheel. This is how the second wheel look. That's the second wheel. And then this is gonna be a third wheel. Okay, wipe all that WD-40 off. That's pretty much it right there, but I'm gonna just, next step is I'm gonna get some polish and just do a quick little polish job just to get that WD-40 off of there, make it look a little shinier. You'll see it. Okay, the back two are done. That's one side, that's the one I already had, and this is the one I just did. I mean, it looks good. 5 foot distance, it's shining enough, but as you can see, I mean, this pitting is real bad. I have to get a different attachment to get up in there, but I mean, up close, it's kind of, it's all right, but I can get it a little bit better, I think. But from a distance, 5 foot distance, man, that bad boy looking good. So those back two done. One of the fronts done, so I just gotta do one more. We getting it there. Okay, that's how it's gonna sit. You can kind of see the back. Maybe you can, maybe you can't. The back is a little taller. It's a little bit more meat on the back. Again, tire size, I don't know if you can see that. 245 60-15s Mastercrafts on the rear, and 235 60-15s on the front. I'm gonna run this for a little while and see what I got. But yeah, those wheels came out. Wheels came out pretty good for what I had, and we'll roll with that. Now all they need to be mounted, clean them blue dye off of it, whatever that is, that protector layer blue, and then some tire shines and they be good.
My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me